Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, August 8, 2023 on our channel. Schmitz Cargobull successfully extends GDP certificate for reliable pharmaceutical transportation. Adjusting of the performance characteristics of the Al-Essa C13 compounds and their Hydrides for multi-stimuli cooling cycle application. Energy recovery to launch second PX G1300 installation with Vallarta supermarkets. Al-Essa industrial company adopts Honeywell Solstice liquid blowing agent. Johnson Controls named to Forbes Best Employers for Women 2023 list. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Schmitz Cargobull successfully extends GDP certificate for reliable pharmaceutical transportation. Schmitz Cargobull has successfully extended the GDP certificate for its Trailer Connect trailer telematics system, ensuring it continues to provide its pharmaceutical customers with factory-certified vehicles. And quote, through the certification of Trailer Connect, our customers can present an important certificate for their GDP audits, which attests to the high quality and safety of our products, end quote, reports Boris Bilic, Sales Director at Schmitz Cargobull AG. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Energy recovery to launch second PX G1300 installation with Vallarta supermarkets. Energy Recovery and Vallarta supermarkets announced plans for a second installation of the PX G1300 energy recovery device at a store in Salinas, California. This agreement comes after Vallarta supermarkets installed their first PX G1300 into an existing CO2 refrigeration system in their Indio, California store, where the PX G1300 drove 30% energy efficiency over the system's adiabatic cooler. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Al-Essa industrial company adopts Honeywell Solstice liquid blowing agent. Honeywell announced that Saudi Arabia-based appliance manufacturer Al-Essa industrial company has adopted Honeywell Solstice liquid blowing agent, LBA, for use in insulation of its products. Honeywell Solstice LBA will help Al-Essa industrial company phase out higher global warming potential, GWP, solutions that contribute to climate change, in line with Saudi Arabia's climate objectives, while also ensuring it maintains compliance with regulations in the kingdom. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Johnson Controls named to Forbes Best Employers for Women 2023 list. Johnson Controls, the global leader for smart, healthy and sustainable buildings, has been named to the Forbes list of Best Employers for Women 2023. We're proud that the culture we've built empowers and celebrates women, values their contributions and supports continued innovation, said Marina Williams, Vice President of Diversity, Equity and Inclusion at Johnson Controls. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.